I'll actually show what one of these looks like so you can see how it generates content. Okay, and this is the last option here, but there's one other thing that this can do as well, which is a conversation starter, but you can only have 4 that are presented on the front end. So this next one you have to actually input manually. So for an announcement for your group, you can do an event announcement, any kind of feature update. If you have a new resource availability, any kind of company news, you can use it here and it'll generate that information for you. If you got a partnership or collaboration, it'll do it. Any type of staff updates or team introductions, policy change. If you change any type of policies or rules or anything like that, you can use that. If you're doing system maintenance, I know a lot of people use this for different things. So if you're doing system maintenance, it will do system maintenance notifications. And of course, it will do the custom announcement. And the last one, we'll enter it in manually. I'll say create content calendar. So if you want to create a content calendar, that's another option to give you as well, okay? So it'll give you the option to do the time frame. You can do 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, or a custom. I'm going to select A, and I'll let you guys see what this looks like. I'm going to say A, and instead of giving it a date range, I'm going to say undated. Now I'll just do undated for this one. All right. And it'll say, got it. We'll create a 1 week up undated content calendar. It says, what type of content would you like to include? And of course, it gives me the option of the type of content for those 4 conversation starters, whether it's promotional posts, educational posts, community engagement post, or an announcement, or I can do all of them. So I'm going to say for the demonstration, I'm going to select, let's go with E. And we'll do E there. All right. Trying to say I got the time. All right, 7 minutes. All right, cool. All right, so, and then it'll say, how frequently would you like to post content? So you can go daily, every other day, 3 times a week, twice a week, and you can do custom. I'm going to go ahead and say daily. I'll select A there, and we'll do it like that. All right, and they say, are there any key themes or topics you like to focus on during the week? So if you have a particular topic or theme that you want to cover that week with your content, this is where you want to define that, okay? And it'll give you some examples here, because mine is centered around AI. The option, it'll give me suggestions based on AI. If yours was, let's say, on crafting or whatever your industry is, we can program it to have that content here, so it would give you those options, okay? So I'll say, I'm going to say prompting. I'm going to say simplified prompting for newbies. So let's say I'm doing a week of just simplified prompting for newbies. We'll do something like that, just a week worth of content for them. All right, so it says, are there any important dates, events, or special notes you like to include? So sometimes, you know, we have like holidays that come through the week, and we might not want to post on that day, or we might want to put a special post. It'll give you the option to do that as well. I'm going to say none here, and we'll leave that like that. All right, and then it'll generate the calendar for you. You guys can see that.
Oh, wow, that's remarkable.
And that's the calendar for the week. So now I don't have to really think through what it is that I'm going to do for the week. I have my entire calendar set up for 7 days, and it alternates. On day 1, you got an educational post, you got a community engagement post, promotional post, educational post, community engagement post, announcement.